Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Roblox password back. First, navigate to the Roblox login page on your computer or mobile device. Once there, look for and click the Forgot Password or Username link. This action will redirect you to the account recovery page, where you can begin the process of regaining access to your account. It's a straightforward first step to help you get back into the game. On the recovery page, you have two primary options. Use your linked email address or a verified phone number. If using email, Roblox will send a reset link to your inbox. Click it to proceed. For phone numbers, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code via text message. Enter this code on the Roblox site, then create and confirm a new, strong password to secure your account. Sometimes, the reset email might end up in your spam or junk folder, so always check there first. Also, ensure that password reset at Roblox. Com is not blocked by your email provider. If you don't have a linked email or phone number, you'll need to contact Roblox support. Be prepared to provide your username, any associated email addresses, and details like Robux purchase, receipts to verify account ownership. To keep your Roblox account safe, always enable two-step verification. It adds an extra layer of protection. Create a unique, strong password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and never reuse passwords from other sites. Crucially, never share your password or personal details with anyone. Finally, always remember to log out of your account, especially when using shared or public computers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.